Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Killstreaks for maximum impact in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, Precision Airstrike. Use it to take out enemies squad in open areas or to flush them out of cover. It will clear out multiple enemies quickly, creating opportunities for your team to advance. Cluster Strike. Deploy it on enemy positions or objectives to disrupt their movements and force them into unfavorable position. It forces enemies to scatter, making them easier target for your team. UAV. Active it to reveal enemy location on the minimap, giving your team a tactical advantage. It helps your team track enemy movements and plan ambushes or flanks. Counter UAV. Use it to disrupt enemy UAVs and deny them map information. It confuses enemy teams and make it harder for them to coordinate attacks. Advanced UAV. Provide real-time enemy position on the minimap, allowing your team to track their movements more accurately. It gives your team a significant tactical advantage by revealing enemy position continuously. VTOL Jet. Calling it to rain down fire on enemy positions, causing chaos and suppressing enemy movements. It deals heavy damage to both infantry and vehicles, forcing enemies to take cover. Chopper Gunner. Control the gunner seat to rain down bullets and rockets on enemy position, clearing out entire areas. It devastating firepower that can wipe out enemy squads and secure objectives. Gunships. Deploy it to dominate the skies and rain down death from above, providing unparalleled air support. It destroys enemy vehicles and forces infantry into hiding, giving your team control of the battlefield. White Phosphorus. Use it to create a smoke screen and disorient enemies, making it easier for your team to push forward or retreat. It provides cover and disrupts enemy visibility, creating confusion and chaos. Emergency Airdrop. Call it in to resupply your team with ammunition and equipment. And that's how to use Killstreaks for maximum impact in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.